Now we're going to do Flash Basics Lessons 3. In this one, we're actually going to create a motion path and we're going to have the text go around it. Now, if you click here, you can go to the link, or you can do the medium. There's another one where you can make a car go around the path. There's an example there. It's a video that you can follow. All we're going to do is make your name spiral around. That's all we're doing. We're creating a pathway and we're going to make it spiral around. You can even go and make it zigzag later if you'd like to. Okay, step 1. Insert new symbol, spiral graphic, just like we did on the previous one. We're going to type it in. The main difference here is we're going to make sure that we align it. So here's our new one. Properties, let's go change the color. Let's make this one purple this time. Why not? Okay. I'm going to insert a new symbol. I want it to be a graphic. I'm going to call this one spiral. Spiral name. Text. This is Baxter. And I'm going to make it a little more wider. There we go. Let's change the color to white. And this time I'm going to shrink it down to 48. And that's perfectly fine for me. Now we actually need to align it, so I go back and go, how do I do that? And it says click on the text, go to Window, Align, click on that little button and align. So that's what I'm going to do. Window, Align, to Stage. I want it centered, so it puts it perfectly in the center. And then I'm simply going to go back to Scene 1. So here we are. Here's my layer. I'm going to call this one background so that I don't get confused here in a minute. Okay. Library. I'll take that spiral, drag it and drop it over into the timeline. Let's just put it there for now. Let's go over to again like 80, insert keyframe. Okay, now what do? We've dragged it over, we've inserted our keyframe. We're now going to create a motion tween, so we have the arrow. Then we're going to go back and double click on the words layer and then type in tween. So I call it background, we'll call it tween either way. Alright, we'll just do what they say to do so we don't get you confused. Tween. And that's what I'm doing. I'm following the instructions. Add a motion guide. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to do my basic tween. After I do that, I'm going to right click. See? I'm going to right click and add motion guide. So I've got them all selected. I'm going to highlight. Insert classic tween, so I have my arrow. I'm going to right click, add classic motion guide. See? I've just done what exactly the instructions say. Take your pencil tool, stroke, and just draw some kind of random spiral. We can do that. Come over here, find your pencil tool. Properties. No. Where's a little smoothing out at? This is a graphic. Okay. Alright, well, let's just go ahead and draw. Just a basic one. Okay, now it says make sure that you've got a solid line. It's a solid line. In the timeline, click on the dot next to the guide layer and click lock. So, okay. How do I do that? By clicking on it, clicking lock. And then view, snapping, snap to objects. So we want to go to view, snapping, snap to objects. Okay, that's selected. No. Next step. Grab the center point of the spiral and drag it to the beginning in the first frame, and then go to the last frame and put it at the end of it. Okay, we can do that. So see that little white dot right here in the middle? I'm going to drag it to there. Oops. I actually need to click on the first frame and do that. Drag it to there. Last frame. Drag it to the end here. And let's test the movie and see how it goes in a spiral. That's it. That's all there is to lesson 3. It's just learning how to put it together. So you should be able to complete lessons 3 and 4 today at the same time. That's it. Now, what if I wanted to do something? I say I'm just going to delete this layer. Get rid of it. Delete layer. And I'm going to create another tween. And let's say, maybe I want the person to like walk across the stage or like over a hill or something, just for example. My pencil tool. I want my person to walk up, down, 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 so forth. Just for example, and I'll lock it again. First one, I would put the center point of it right there. fast frame for here. Test the movie and see how it's working and it's following the path. That's the only reason why you need to know paths, because let's say you want somebody to create or walk, you want something to move in a specific manner. If you put a pathway in, you can do it. Now, again, save as. This one's Basics 3 in your folder. And publish it as a GIF. So go to your publish settings. I don't want it as a Flash, don't want it as HTML, I just want to make it a GIF. I'm going to put it in this folder, yes. I'm going to click on and make sure that I tell it's an animated GIF. And I put publish, and then it publishes its folder, and I upload it. Congratulations, that's lesson 3. That's all there is to it.